What's good? My name is Mateo. Welcome to a brand new video. For those of you who are unaware, YouTube has a thing and has had a thing for a while now where you can go to this like AI laboratory and discuss video ideas. It's weird. Let me show you. So they call it their inspiration page, and you can see right here, they have these stupid freaking AI generated ideas, but one actually did catch my eye and I kind of wanted to explore it, and I wanted to test out what developing it would be like. Right here I have my videos page. I'm still uploading today's video, right? And one caught my eye. What do you think? You're right, it was Epic Crossover Battles Dokkan versus Clash. I actually have it saved. You can see the saved bar, and we have this. You can just save the ideas, which is so bizarre. I wonder if people actually utilize this, and if you have utilized this, please let me know what you think. Clicking on it, you get this word vomit, and I want to break it down a little bit. So it explains the title. There's like a subtext here, and then they have hooks, they have outlines right here, and then they also even give you like thumbnails, which these all kind of suck. This fucking Clash Royale crown with a spirit bomb in the back, or a fucking Dragon Ball. Well, I don't want to call it tough, but it's something to say the least. You got two Shenrons going here, right? You got Vegeta in Goku's clothes. You got Goku. I think that's Shallot, actually. I'm pretty sure. I thought that was Hit from a distance, but that's not a fucking creature. That's like a barbarian with a koala nose right there. You got these titles going here. Can Goku beat a P.E.K.K.A? We found out. And like seeing like YouTube content nowadays, these pre-made titles actually kind of make sense. And then you can see we got Nanogenix over here. I wonder if he actually has like used freaking AI titles before, because it kind of looks like it. Nano, I love you. I'm kidding. Majin Vegeta versus Shin Akuma, Super Street Fighter 2 Turbo X Hyper Dragon Ball Z X Anime Mugen. I want to develop it. So you have this show more button, and it takes you to this page where you can choose what type of hook you want. Question hook, bold claim hook, intrigue hook. I read through all these. This one I liked the most, and when you click on it, you can kind of refine it. Use stronger verbs, inject more humor, shorten sentences. I want to see actually what injecting more humor would look like. Ever wonder if Goku could spirit bomb a fully upgraded P.E.K.K.A into oblivion? Or if the Golden Frieza army would just politely ask to pick up an Dokkan Battle versus Clash Royale. I hate it. And you have the outline. So you have the intro with the hook. I haven't actually explored this one quite yet fully. So hook. What if the strongest warriors from Dokkan Battle faced off against the strategic might of Clash Royale? Imagine Super Saiyan Blue Vegito charging a final flash against a horde of elite barbarians and a Mega Knight. Channel's unique angle. We're not just throwing units together. We're breaking down the mechanics, stats, and unique abilities to truly imagine these epic showdowns. This is the battle you never knew you needed. Teaser. Get ready for a deep dive into power levels, strategic placements, and ultimate abilities that will decide the ultimate victor in our hypothetical matchup. Whoa. Round 1. Power versus Swarm. Goku, Dokkan, versus Goblin Barrel and support. What the fuck does support mean? Let's find out, chat. That is not a fucking push. Well, it is. You know, masturbators. But who the fuck is playing Logbait with Ewiz? Come on, ChatGPT, get on your shit. Gemini in this case, actually. The simulated battle. Visualizing this clash. Does Goku super attack clear the board? Or do the goblins chip away at him before he can charge up? Guys, let it be known. Goku no diffs all of fiction at this point, just because Toyotaro said, fuck it, everything is canon. For engagement and future ideas. Which other Dokkan or Clash units would you love to see battle? What other game crossovers should we explore? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Call to action. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more epic battle simulations, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next Clash of Titans. This page needs a little bit more refining. It's just interesting, to say the least. I really want to explore the process of developing this idea, though, because it is realistically just an idea. I wonder if a video is able to be generated. All right, so we're here on Google Gemini. This, if you're unaware, is Google's like AI. This is Gemini 2.5 here, not Gemini 3, which has VO3, which is the one that people were fear-mongering about. As you can see here, we got Sonic the Hedgehog doing a Minecraft Let's Play. It has no audio, I think, but that's Sonic the Hedgehog definitely doing a Minecraft Let's Play. I wonder, whose world is that? That's gotta be somebody's world. Whose YouTube video is that? So I want to see if we can generate this. Generate an epic crossover between Dokkan Battle and Clash Royale. Because I think it's pulling from the same pool of like thoughts and stuff. So it's going to take a couple minutes for an 8-second video. This is so fucking scary, dude. It's just generating something. I still can't get enough of these thumbnails, dude. These are so fucking stupid. What is this? Is that the Prince's Lance? That's fucking hilarious, actually. I gotta be honest. Okay, so we got the video right here. I am scared. I want to show its thinking. Actually, let's watch it first and then show its thinking. So it's 8 seconds long. What the fuck, dude? This is literally a mobile game ad. That's crazy. Show the thought process. I want to see this. Never mind. It's not showing the thought process. Okay. That's so fucking freaky. Let's do this. Generate an introduction based on this prompt. Let's see what happens with that. Because you could feed in whatever amount of word slop you want into Gemini. By the way, this is like a free trial that I'm doing. I don't actually want to pay Google. I'm not here to support this. You know, this is more for my interest just to see what happens. All right, so we got something here, chat. Let's see.
Imagine a world where the might of Dokkan Battle collides with the strategic chaos of Clash Royale. Imagine a world where the might of Dokkan Battle collides.
Oh, dude. All right, so I took that fake AI thumbnail and I'm putting it in here, and we're gonna say Clash Royale and Dokkan Battle crossover. And let's see what happens. All right, let's see. What do we got here? It's not even 8 seconds long. Yo, if I see this in a Nanogenics video, I know that we're cooked, bro. They just disappeared! Wait, where did the koalas go? They just disappeared! Their mouths are moving. Their eyes closed. Vegeta, like, appeared and then reappeared. Who the fuck was that? Who's flying back here? Who the hell is that? Is he? Oh, he's right there. But that's like, I hate to say it, but those limbs, who the fuck is, what the hell is that? Anyway, let me know if you'd like to see that video idea be developed by me, or if you want to develop it yourself, feel free. It's AI generated. I don't care. But this is just freaky, man. I am so like bewildered. I don't like it. It's just weird. It's weird. And I don't want to watch AI content. If you take anything away from this video, it should be that you should, like, I don't want to say like educate yourself, but like be more literate in media, meaning don't watch brain rot all the time, because then you're gonna numb your brain to the point where you're not gonna be able to differentiate what's real and what's not. The more you think about that idea, the more sense that it makes. Starting up here, you're watching movies. All right, you're over here, you're watching like 3-hour-long videos. Great. I love a good 3-hour-long video as much as a movie, I'll be honest, because long videos are good. It hasn't like taken away my attention span. Then you hit this like short 10-minute video where like you're watching it, your dopamine receptors are like fairly okay, but then that like makes you more susceptible to like the 1 minute long 15-second long TikToks and Reels, which once you start watching enough of those, you're just going to numb your brain and dopamine receptors to the point where you are watching so much stuff that you're not going to be able to differentiate because, well, that's just the way that works. They blend in, and it sucks. Welcome to the New World, chat.